All right, gentlemen. So I hear we got 2 new union employees on the job, right?
Yeah.
Y'all work for the union, right?
See, yeah, we're scared though.
Why?
Scared because we heard a story earlier. It came out of California that said that there was an inventor that actually made a shovel that holds itself up.
Oh.
And we're gonna be out of a job soon. Smart shovel.
All right, so we got this sewer line. Here's our tap. Test T, 2-way clean out with a 5-foot riser. Look at that, about 80 feet in total of sewer line. Look at that beautiful rolling offset right there, boy. Yeah, buddy. Another beautiful rolling offset. Look at that. This job came out beautiful. All right. That's all she wrote. Sewer studs out.